Free AI coding is built right into VS Code. No extension install and no credit card. Just a GitHub account. Copilot writes code as you type, answers questions in chat, and an agent can edit files and run commands for you. 2,000 completions and 50 chats. Free every month. Let's turn it on.
Look at the bottom right of VS Code, the Copilot icon. Hover it, and a menu appears. Click Use AI Features. That is step 1. Then we choose how to sign in.
The sign-in dialog offers GitHub, Google, or GHE.com. Pick GitHub, VS Code opens your browser, and you authorize Visual Studio Code. Back in the editor, you are signed in. That is it.
No subscription yet? VS Code signs you up for Copilot free on the spot. No card. 2,000 inline completions and 50 chat requests every month. Auto model selection only. Type/init in chat. And Copilot learns your project style free every month. Hover the icon again. GitHub Copilot. Ready? Now click the chat icon in the title bar or press Ctrl+I. The chat view opens in the secondary sidebar.
Inline suggestions appear as dimmed ghost text. Type a comment and Copilot writes the code. Tab accepts the whole suggestion. Control-right accepts the next word. SK dismisses it. Alt-right bracket cycles the options. Tab, and the code is yours.
Next, edit suggestions predict your next move. Rename one variable, and an arrow appears in the gutter. Press Tab to jump to the next edit, and Tab again to apply it.
Type a question in plain English and press Enter. What does this code do? Copilot explains it instantly. Mention a file with the hash key. Or start a message with an exclamation mark to run a terminal command. Python hello.py. It runs right in the panel. The Fur of Mode drop-down picks how Copilot works. Ask Mode answers questions and never changes your files. It is the safest way to learn. Plan Mode writes a plan first. Agent Mode does everything. Start with Ask.
In Plan mode, Copilot writes a step-by-step plan before touching your code. 4 steps for a Toto app. Create the file, store the tasks, handle a missing file, and verify. Plan mode is a public preview. Approve the plan, and Agent mode implements it.
Agent mode is full autonomy. One prompt creates the app, edits files, and runs commands. When it wants to run a terminal command, it asks first. Click Allow, it hits an error. File not found? No problem. The agent fixes the code and reruns. Task added, buy milk. Done.
You do not even need the chat panel. Press Ctrl+I at the cursor, and inline chat opens right there. Ask it to add comments. A diff preview shows the change. Tab accepts. Quick edits without leaving your code.
Type a / in chat, and the command list appears. /init sets up the project and creates Copilot instructions.md. /explain, /fix, and /test handle the rest. Control-Alt.picks the model. What happens when the free allowance runs out? Inline completions pause, and chat returns. You have hit a rate limit. It resets every month. Or upgrade to Pro for $10, unlimited completions, and 1,500 credits. For learning, free is plenty.
3 errors, 3 fixes. Failed to sign in to G.com? Remove the enterprise setting from settings.json, reload, and sign in with GitHub. Copilot failed to get ready? Sign out, reload the window, sign back in. Cannot find Copilot chat? Update VS Code. It is built in now.
From zero to AI powered in 5 steps. Turn it on, sign in, get the free plan, use ghost text and chat, and let the agent build. Free. Built in. No credit card. Start typing and Copilot is waiting. Like and subscribe for the next one.